Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views edition for 11th June 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from the last week's trading sessions. Markets had a very interesting day on Friday. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about 222 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 459 crores. Nifty, with its current upward and downward movement, if it has to hold a range of 10,770 to gain further momentum. At this point of time, the markets seem to be indecisive. The investors are advised to be cautious. Neither bulls nor bears seem to have control at this point, given the past week's trend. In another related news, oil prices seem to have dropped for the 12th consecutive day. Let's have a look at the Nifty. Nifty opened at 10,736 and closed at 767. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,779 and a low of 10,709. The markets swung by about 70 points. However, the market closed about only 0.7 points down from the previous day close of 10,768. Actually, market swung by about 70 points and still closed at around the same point as it closed the previous day, which is Thursday. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,725 and 10,685. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,795 and 10,820. Let's have a look at the world markets. American markets are up by about 0.3 and 0.31% for Dow Jones and S&P 500. Brazil was down by about 1.23%. Otherwise, Canadian, Chilean, Mexican markets all ended on a positive note. The European markets, England was down by about 0.3%. France and Europe remained more or less the same, with only an upward movement of marginal 0.02 and 0.03%. Germany was down by about 0.35% and Switzerland down by about 0.4%. The Asian markets, Japanese market was up by about 0.33%, Hong Kong up by about 0.35%. Chinese market, Shanghai was down by about 0.2%. Mumbai, Sensex and NSE Nifty closed at around 0.05% on very marginal close, marginally down as of Friday. Singapore Nifty at the time of preparing this report was up by about 21 points, which is 0.2% higher. If this is to give any indication, the market should open at around the same range and probably be range bound. However, experts in different columns in the websites have suggested that this indecisiveness could also lead to a pullback, meaning the markets, if it starts sliding down, it may touch like 10,400, 10,300 levels. But for the Nifty to gain momentum, it has to hold on to this level, at least about 10,770. And start moving up for it to further gain momentum. So please be cautious with your trades today. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.